Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to understand how to use geometry pattern option in the linear pattern command. So here let's understand how we have created this part body. So first of all, we have made one a base feature by making this sketch and we have extruded up to 10 mm distance. Now next we have selected that back face. On the back face we have created this sketch and we have made a extrude cut. Now how we made the extrude cut, that is important here. So what we have done while extruding cut, so we have defined the cut offset from the surface, from the circular face of 5 mm here. Okay, now we're going to pattern this feature. So we'll select this extrude cut feature and go to linear pattern option. Now here I have to specify the direction of pattern. For that we are going to select this edge and we'll change the direction and we'll specify the distance between each instance, that is 15.0, and the total count is 5. Now initially we're going to untick this geometry pattern option and we're keeping the propagate visual property, so the color property will be transferred. Let's do OK. So we see that if I'm not choosing the geometry pattern option, so my all the features will be moving toward the circular face. It is maintaining the gap of 5 here. Now I do not need to maintain the offset of 5 mm from the faces. I want that will become like a first feature. For that case, we'll edit that linear pattern option and we'll choose geometry pattern and we'll do OK. So this is how we can do a geometry pattern. Thank you for watching this video.